Today I want to introduce you to AsBuilt Lens, an intelligent visual inspection system. Powered by AI, designed to transform how small and medium-sized businesses handle quality control in manufacturing. Instead of training models with thousands of images or buying machines worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, AsBuilt Lens lets you describe what you expect to see in natural language. And the AI takes care of verifying it with deep reasoning. All of this runs on an AMD Instinct MI300X using Qwen 3 VL32B, VLLM and ROCM, enabling fast and accurate multimodal analysis. This is the complete system workflow. The image is sent to the MI300X server. First, an inspection agent compares the image against the provided text specification. If everything is correct, returns pass. But if any anomaly is detected, an autonomous handoff occurs to the quality agent engineer, who performs a root cause analysis and generates concrete recommendations. The final result is a professional PDF report ready to use. Okay, let's see it in action. We upload an image. Enter the technical specification in natural language and run the inspection. For quick demo purposes, we already have sample images loaded with their respective specifications, so we can just perform the inspection. Here we start seeing how the inspector agent begins its work. In this case, it approved the image because it identified all the components included in the requirements. Here we can see a detailed description of everything it detected. Afterwards, we have the PDF file available for download. This PDF file serves as evidence and for factory quality control, so it is very useful. For production environments, we also have a batch mode. Here we can process multiple parts at the same time. The system analyzes each one in parallel, identifies which ones pass and which fail, and generates a report, either individual or consolidated. This allows full batch inspection in a very efficient way. Once the inspection is completed, it generates a detailed report for all the parts that passed the inspection. And we can also see the detailed report for each individual component that went through inspection. We've already seen how the inspector agent behaves when it finds every component assigned to it inside the item box. Now we're going to simulate a missing component to see how the quality agent responds. Inside the item box, I'm going to add a label so the agent can search for it. And since it won't be able to find it, the inspection will fail. And we'll be able to see the second agent's workflow in action. Here, it already detected an anomaly. And we can see in the terminal code that the quality agent has started its analysis, specifying what was missing and providing recommendations. we're already seeing its report. Just like in the previous cases. Except this time, it's a failed inspection. And here we can see the recommendations from the quality agent, along with the diagnosis of what could have gone wrong.
And now we get to the highlight of the series. We're going to run a test using a real camera, and we use this box of LEDs as if it were a company order. So we'll simulate, checking that the correct contents. We place everything in position. And here you'll notice something important. The specification indicates them. Very simple, using natural language. I only wrote area of red LEDs, area of white LEDs, green, blue, and yellow LEDs, areas with multicolored LEDs. This shows that the agent is intelligent and doesn't need to be operated by a specialist. You simply provide instructions in natural language, and it handles the rest. Now, we already have the camera connected. When I press Start Camera, it takes the picture and begins scanning and inspecting the image. And here, it already passed the inspection successfully. And if we pay close attention, we can see how it accurately interpreted each section with the different colored LEDs. It's impressive. And finally, we get the report. Just like we saw before,